I'm Finn. I'm covering Nottingham East and I'm here today in Lincoln, sunny Lincoln, where we've been fitting loft boarding for our customer. We've been doing 2 jobs in one. So the main loft has had loft boarding, ladder, hatch and shelving. They already had a light in place. So when we turned up to quote, the loft was completely unusable. The hatch was quite small and it was just an ocean of insulation. So a completely unusable space in terms of storage. By the time we've left, we've turned it into a usable, easily accessible, safe and secure storage area.
I boarded our last loft in our last house and I disliked it immensely doing it.
Yeah.
How you do it? To be honest, yeah. I knew of More Than Loft Ladders as well, because you had done a friend of mine in Leicester. That's where we moved from. You explain everything, the best price, you can do it serviced and yeah, good quality as well. This is fantastic and transformational for us in terms of space and what we can do. So it's been done really quickly as well and cleanly. So yeah, no complaints at all.
And then we're also doing the garage loft as well. So they're really utilising the space, both in the house and in the garage. When we turned up, the garage itself was the storage area. So the customer's idea was they wanted to use the loft for the storage so they can use the garage for maybe putting cars in there, having like a tool racking, things like that. So they can actually use the garage for things other than storage. So the storage is above their heads. And so they're having boarding, shelving, a light and a ladder in the garage as well, creating that usable space below.
It's a bit George Michael, it's a bit Wham. Do you like that?
So great.
So how do you think you'll utilise the space? What are your ideas, plans?
Loads of bits, like Alex has got a hobby that's got quite a few bits and pieces to it, so actually the storage will be really useful for that. When we're not using them in the summer, garden bits can store up here. I'm really impressed with that. It's really great.
They've told us how much it's changed the way their house is working. They've got all the clutter out of the house, they can put it up in the loft, out of sight, out of mind. They've sort of gained some more space in their house.
And a great use of the space, like I don't actually think it would be this good. It's really great.
It was just nothing before, wasn't it?
Yeah, nothing, absolutely nothing. Just the trusses really. And it just seemed like a no-brainer to make use of the space. And just having the shelving, because when you have things in an attic, you kind of like are stacking things on the floor, but being able to use the shelves to store things away so you can still get to it really easily is going to be amazing. They've been professional, they've tidied away, been really clean, and the workmanship speaks for itself really. We've got a space that needs boarding and shelving and things, absolutely, yeah, go for it. We'll be able to store your toys, won't we? Yeah.
Whether you're downsizing, upsizing, maybe you're moving into a bungalow and you need that extra space. By getting us to transform your loft, we can add value to your home, we can improve your energy performance, create extra space in your house for those cherished items, household items. So if you'd like to get in touch with us, you can give us a call or you can visit our social media page. We're on Instagram and Facebook, and you'll find a link in the bio which will take you to an inquiry form or to our website where you can find more information about the products and services that we offer, which includes a 0% finance option which can be split over 10 months with a minimum 10% deposit. It helps break your payments down into monthly instalments, makes things more affordable for you, and we hope to hear from you soon.